So the first post-COVID test series bowls off tomorrow between England and the West Indies. And right off the bat, for the West Indies to have any chance of retaining the Wisden Trophy, our batsmen have to bat out of them skin. The bowlers, whatever five come from Kemar Roach, Shannon Gabriel, Alzari Joseph, Jason Holder, Shamar Holder, and even Raheem Cornwall, any five should get enough of the inexperienced English wickets to keep the West Indies in the games. It will therefore be incumbent on the likes of Shai Hope, who will need to get back to his 2017 form, Craig Brathwaite, who must rediscover his tenacity and productivity, while loose cannons like John Campbell and Jermaine Blackwood, if they play, must spend time at the crease. Shamar Brooks and Roston Chase must convert their temperament and technique into runs. Shane Dowrich and Jason Holder must contribute down the order. If the batsmen don't turn up on this tour, West Indies will be embarrassed. Yes. It's not a matter of impossible, but it's still the number 8 ranked West Indies versus the number 4 ranked England in England. One thing in favor of the West Indies on this tour, however, will be the empty stands. Yes. Our first class cricket is played in empty stadia. So we have the empty stands advantage. Yes. Right now, we have here empty studio.